So in this video I'm going to show you some of the methods to select a specific programming language that is more convenient and appropriate to us. In the previous video we have seen about how to start coding, and if you didn't watch it yet, you have to watch it first and then come back to this video. So let's get started. As I promised in my previous video, this video is for you to help you select a programming language that you think is the best. And I'll try to share some of the methods that shows you the way to select a specific programming language. So now I'll tell you the methods, but don't forget to subscribe this channel. Before diving into those methods, let's discuss about who this video is to. Most beginners to programming face so many challenges when they start to choose a programming language. Some beginners also try to select a multiple programming language at once or at the same time. This is not the way to find which programming language is best for you. So this video is for those who don't know how to select a programming language successfully and effectively. So let's dive into the methods. The first method is ask others to tell you not which programming language to choose, but what a specific programming language is. For example, you can ask a question like this: what is Python? What is Java? What is C#? What is C++? What is JavaScript? What is PHP? What is Node.js? And what is the importance of learning them? Those questions may not be enough to select one, but will make you gather some concepts about all the programming languages. What I don't recommend you is don't ask questions like, is Python more powerful than Java? Is Java easier to learn than C#? What I want you to know is don't compare one programming language to other programming languages, okay? Because you are the beginner. You want to start learning. Okay, you are not supposed to build a big project at the start of learning a programming language, because building a project will be started at the time of your progress. Don't worry about building a big project. And you have to know that every programming language has its own limitations. This should be your main understanding about any programming language. And the second method is find out what project do you want to build after becoming a professional programmer. I'm definitely sure that if you know what to build the next time, you will now select one programming language effectively, because you imagine that you will be the owner of that project because of the programming language you chose. The third method, which is more convenient for selecting one programming language, is that selecting randomly. Your first selected programming may not be permanent, but I promise this is the one way to be successful in any programming language. Most of the programmers in the world didn't select the programming language they use at this time when trying to select a specific language. This method is somewhat more effective when comparing to other methods. And the fourth method you can use for selecting a specific programming language is trying some programming languages yourself within a short period of time. Let's say you look at 3 boys standing on a street looking for a job, and you are an employer, but you want to employ one of them. So how do you select or choose one? You try to use one way, which is giving a test for each, then you select the one who scored higher. So selecting a programming language is just the same as selecting one of the boys who are looking for a job. Just enjoy some programming languages and try to choose one which gives you a comfort. I think this is clear. And let's jump to fifth method, but before that, let me inform you what the plan of this channel is. This GBSci channel is on its way and is supposed to be one of the best channels, and its plan is to enhance and develop your skills and use them effectively. So this channel is for you. Change its dream into real world by subscribing this channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. And let's continue our lesson, which is the fuse method. This method is, I think, different from the previous methods, and try to understand it. Participating in any discussion can be used to select a programming language that is best for you. So try to participate and share your ideas in a way of a professional programmer does, because this will help you to investigate your potential. But how does knowing your potential help you select a programming language? Before I give you the answer, let's talk about what some beginners understand about selecting a programming language. When they try to start learning a programming language, they use only external factors to find out what they should learn. But whether you believe or not, most of the programmers in the world get failed because of understanding nothing about their own potential. The only way they use is others' way of life. So I can say knowing your potential will select your preferred programming languages, and your potential drives you to decide which programming language to select. And this can be achieved by trial and error. Just practice, 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 then you will find your passion and skill. This method is more powerful than any other methods, and be careful. If you want to get more videos on how to work and know your potential, please let me know by writing it in the comment space below. The sixth but last method is giving a tutorial for others, then you will start to feel which programming language is convenient and powerful for you. You may face many challenges by following such methods, but this is the way you can be effective at selecting what you want. Anyways, by watching this video, you may feel that those methods will not help you because they seem like different from the concepts of programming language, but I promise this is the only roadmap to your effective selection of a programming language, because I have used all of them and now I know what programming language is best for me. So guys, this is all about methods you should use when selecting a programming language. Anyway, this channel will show you the secret way to be successful in your life. So what is only expected from you is don't forget to subscribe, like and share all the videos. This is just the beginning. This is all about how to select a specific programming language that is appropriate to us, and I hope this video was more helpful to you. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends. And if you have any question or problems according to how to select a specific programming language, write it in the comment space below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.